Hello YouTube viewers! So for today's video, biglaan kaming bumili ng ticket for mama's medication kasi kailangan niyang mapagamot. Mahirap kasi sa probinsya kaya napabook kami ng ticket at eto na nga, papunta kami sa airport. Panglao Airport yan. Ihing-ihin na ako, so punta muna ako sa CR. Pero that time, nakapasok na kami kasi pinakita namin yung electronic, yung screenshot ng ticket, tsaka yung IDs namin pareho. So sa CR, nag-relax muna saglit, and then pumunta sa check-in baggage, and then nandito na kami sa waiting area. Medyo matagal yung pag-antay kasi ganun talaga pag nagpapa-check-in advance ka, hirap pag mahuli, hindi ka makakasakay. So sa gilid may nagmamasahing mga deaf and blind, mamasahe ng mga pasahero ang gusto ng service nila. I think nasa minimum 200 lang yung bayad. So ayan po yung ticket. Then eto naman, papunta na kami sa airplane. Tapos pumasok, hinanap namin yung seat, and then good thing nasa window seat ako, kaya makikita ko ang labas habang nagve-video. So here, parang nagsasanitize sila ng airplane o kaya pinapalamig yung engine. I'm not sure. Tiningnan ko yung safety instructions ng airplane. Tapos maya may nag-announce na flights were. Tapos meron ding tinuturo na kung anong gagawin pag emergency yung nag-emergency yung plane. Pakinggan natin.
To care for your safety, please take your assigned seats as soon as possible to facilitate.
Mabuhay. Philippine Airlines out of the Filipino welcomes you on board bearing TP2772 bound for Manila. Our piloting command is Captain Nolasco, assisted by First Officer Dungo. Our estimated flying time is 1 hour and 10 minutes.
We will now be showing you the safety features of this aircraft. Please watch the cabin crew nearest you. To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together. To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, top of buckle. Pull free end to release. If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push fin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seat belts are securely fastened. Seat backs in upright position. Large electronic devices
So sabi daw, bawal yung electronic device sa baggage area or dun sa taas, yung parang storage area niya. Kasi pag nag-overheat, yan yung magkukos ng fire. Lagi nilang ina-announce yan sa loob. Tapos, yan, pa-take off na. Take off na talaga. I mean, yung plane. And medyo naramdaman ko yung parang masakit yung tenga ko. Kaya minamassage ko yung tenga ko kasi first time kong maramdaman yun. Ilang beses na ako nakasakay ng plane pero yun yung first time na parang may masakit sa tenga.